Do you want to save items on Facebook Marketplace? You can save items to favorites on the Marketplace with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To save items on Facebook Marketplace. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap the Marketplace icon at the top or bottom of the screen. Now you are on the Marketplace home screen. Browse or search for the item you want to save. Tap on the item to open its listing and view the details. Below the product pictures and title, tap the Save icon. The item will now be added to your saved items list. You can view it anytime by going to your Saved Items section in Marketplace.